Today, we will be talking about fungi and bacteria and the differences between the two. Fungi are living things, for example mushrooms, toadstools, mold, and yeast. Some are edible and useful, like shiitake, mushroom, button mushroom, and yeast. However, some are non-edible and harmful, like bracket fungus and bread mold. A misconception many have is that fungi are not plants. Plants have chloroplasts to make their own food. Fungi cannot make their own food because they do not have chloroplasts. Some properties about fungi. Firstly, fungi love moist and shady places, wood, parks, garden, decomposing food, damp bathroom walls. Secondly, fungi absorb food from surroundings. They feed on living or dead plants and animals. Most fungi reproduce by spores except yeast, which reproduce asexually by budding. And lastly, fungi helps in the process of decomposition. Moving on to bacteria. Bacteria are tiny living organisms, microorganisms, which cannot be seen with our naked eyes. We have to use a microscope to see these microorganisms. Bacteria are single-celled microorganisms. Some bacteria are useful, such as bacteria used in dairy products, such as yogurt and cheese. While some bacteria are harmful, they make us suffer from a sore throat, diarrhea, food poisoning, and flu. Here are the similarities and differences between bacteria and fungi. Both of these are microorganisms. The first difference is that bacteria can be harmful as well as useful, while yeast is useful, such as in bread, wine, and soy sauce. Next, bacterium can be found in our small intestines, but yeast cannot be found in our small intestines. Lastly, bacterium is not a fungus, while yeast is a fungus.